So today we'll be replacing this with trimmer string. So it's a fast process. I think it take you a couple of minutes, 1 or 2 minutes. It's very easy. So underneath your trimmer, you'd see these two parts over here. You need to press them inside so you can take this part out. Yeah. Take this part out. There you can just pull out your string, your old string. You can see it's run out. Get your new string. So put your string through. Yeah. Put your string back inside. You have your trimmer there. I think that's long enough. Then put this back inside. You need to press it inside so it can fit through. Make sure it clicks inside. Check both sides. Make sure it's locked. And you're good to go. Thank you for watching. So like this video, share, subscribe to this channel. See you on the next one.